Right, so welcome to my review of this White Knight C44A7W 7kg vented dryer, an updated version of a 20-year-old dryer. No, really, nothing has changed over the years other than wiping out 5, writing 6, wiping out 6, writing 7. The timer itself is pretty cool actually. It's a sprung-loaded timer, like an egg timer, but it still has reverse tumble in it, and that works because it has a relay switch on a timer. So what it does is just turn that switch over and then back again, and so forth, regardless of where the timer is. It doesn't matter. So what we're going to do, we're going to demonstrate a load in a minute. This dryer, I actually really like it. It's actually quite powerful. It has a 2.5 kilowatt heater. That hasn't changed either, and it uses the proper kind of like element heater rather than the coil heater, so that reduces the risk of it blowing actually, because coil heaters tend to blow a lot more. No, but this is fine. I got it because the door had been smashed to smithereens really. I don't know what had happened, maybe it actually come off, I think, at some point off this hinge here, and then when they've been trying to close it, they've been smacking all this and it was smashed it all to bits, so that stopped it working. Also, the vent hose was missing on this, so I've had to put a new vent hose on, and for some reason they thought laundry money meant quite literally washing and drying it, so there was a ton of money in it. In fact, there was a 50p, and actually 85p actually turns out in the end, stuck in one of the paddles. Even though the paddles were actually on dead tight, so God knows how it got in. I'm not quite sure how it got in. Just money everywhere. Anyway, I've been running it fine. I actually quite like it. It does a really fast job actually, so we've got a 140-ish minute timer, probably a little bit more there. You have a low heat and a high heat. White Knight branding there, start there. If you're wanting timings, they are actually around the dial there, so a full load for cotton dry is roughly 128 minutes, something around that. 2 hours 8. That's cotton dry, it's about 1000 RPM, that's the standard dry. Then you've got polyester cotton, half load, full heat. Acrylics, low heat, about 2 kilo if that, on low heat, and then 20 minute and a 12 minute cool down. There's an integrated hose at the back, and then this door is a pull ratchet door. We've got our filter here. Not my favourite, I don't particularly like the design of filter. Drums is exactly the same, nothing's actually changed in all these years. So we'll load it up. Some nice rubber towels here. Go. So it's been pre-spun in the Becco, so we're going to turn it down to about 60 minutes. We've gone to high heat, so our button needs to be in, flush with the panel, then we press start. Well, they're still a little bit damp actually, which is more to do with that. I've probably not put them drying off. Oh, the filter's pretty full of fluff. Okay, not too bad then. However, good thing is that this keeps things relatively crease free, like all White Knight dryers of the past. So, giving this out of 10, build quality, the plastic door, still a problem. The nice thing actually is this has a plastic top now and a wooden actual top panel, which has made it a little bit more reliable on top, because normally they're metal and you used to bow if any weight got put on. Now it can actually take stuff to put on top, so that's quite good. I like the start button for safety, and the actual fact that the build quality hasn't changed at all is really good. So overall, what am I going to give this out of 10? Simple, for what it is actually, 9 out of 10. This door's the only problem. They just need to really kind of remaster this door by putting it in it rather than having this bit like this. It should be a proper covered hinge and stuff like that. And then I think actually then it will be extremely reliable. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you again.